Mrs. Castle here, and we're going to learn how to draw cylinders and make things look like, stupid fly, make things look like they're going down into the vase, which is what we're going to need to do for um, your sunflower painting. You'll probably see some stems that are going down into the container in the same way that the rulers are going down into my yellow vase there. So first thing I'm going to do is lightly draw my container, but I'm using a really dark pencil so you can see exactly what it is I'm doing. I'm going to start with the oval. Yes, the container is a circle. If we looked at it straight down, it would look like a circle, but because of the angle that I'm looking at it, it looks like an oval. So I'm going to draw my straight sides because the two sides just go straight up and down. And then the bottom is round too, so I'm going to see part of an oval. It is not flat. The flat part is the part that's sitting on the table, not the circular shape. Okay. All right. Now, there's some thickness here. I can see the thickness of the wall, so I'm going to put another oval inside to be the thickness of the clay of the vase. All right, now I want to draw the rulers that are closest to me first. And the first one that's close, the closest one to me is the metal ruler. So it comes up, it touches the vase right here and kind of comes up at an angle like that. If your line is not perfectly straight, mine is not perfectly straight, I don't care. But you want to make it reasonable. And I'm going to draw another line that comes down in. Now I need my eraser. We cannot see through the ruler to the far side of the container, the vase. So I'm going to erase that. Okay. Now my ruler looks like it's going down into the vase. And then my next closest ruler is the wooden ruler. And it's kind of going up like that. Make that one go off the top edge of my paper. It kind of angles up a little bit, comes back down in. Oops. I need to change that line a little bit because it was getting narrower. Nope, it is still a little bit narrow, but close enough. And I need to erase the far side of my vase because we cannot see through the wooden ruler. Okay. Okay, now my black ruler kind of comes up. With all of these, I am starting where it touches pretty much, right? I either start or I end where that closest side of the vase is to me. So I'm going to start there. I'm going to kind of go up, and the end of the ruler is about even at the top. And I'm going to come down. Okay. And I have to erase here because I cannot see the other side of the vase. Now, when you get to the part where you're painting or adding color, whatever it is you're doing, we're going to use paint. Most of, any extra line that's under there should get covered up by the paint. And if it doesn't the first time, put another coat of paint on it. Okay? And one more thing I need to do. I need to show where the far edge of the table is. So I'm going to draw a line and skip over and draw another line across. Do not put it halfway up. That is bad composition. And I'm not going to put any ruler marks or whatever on the edge on the sides of the rulers. I'm just going to go with it the way it is. Don't spend a lot of time on eensy-weensy little details like the ruler numbers or whatever, and certainly don't color with your pencil before you paint. It will, the graphite of your pencil will mix in with the paint and it'll look terrible. So just line drawing is all you need. No shading with pencil when you're just working on your basic drawing. Okay, that's how we draw things going down in when we have a solid container. Thanks for watching.